आदम कौन सी क्लास में? आदम
आदम इस क्लास में।
4th आई में। So, hi madam, how are you? Fine. How are you? Fine. Hello, how are you? Fine. What is this?
This is a hands-on activity which is also easiest method to find LCM and HCM.
Okay. Uh, can you explain about this, anyone? Explain, anyone, about this. What is this? Sorry?
It's a project where we can find LCM and HCM.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Hello. How are you? Fine. What is project name? Sorry? Okay. So what you're doing here? This all the tens, right? So everyone have separate tens. What you're taking simple? Can you tell me about this one?
Huh?
Can you tell me about this? What is
Shows
this?
the action type which happens on a regular basis.
Sorry?
It shows the action which happens on a regular basis.
Okay. So this is all your friend and you?
Future tense
Future tense. What's the meaning of simple future tense?
shows an action.
That will happen in the future, right? Your past. Why you are going the past? Everyone going a present and future. You are going past. Okay. What's the meaning of past? Simple past tense.
Shows an action.
Action was completed in the past, right? Hey, how are you? Fine. Okay. Thanks. Hello. This universe, right? Solar system. Can you explain about this, anyone? Yeah.
The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and the other planets that orbit around it.
Okay.
The closest from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us meet the planets. The first planet from the sun, Mercury.
Hi, I'm Mercury. Let me tell you a few facts about myself. I am the smallest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 4,879.
Good. You?
Hi, I am Venus. I am the second planet from the Sun. I am the hottest planet in our solar system. I have thick atmosphere and it traps heat and makes me very hot. I am the brightest planet and hence called morning star.
Good. And you?
I am
This Earth. Yeah. Tell me.
I am the only planet that has 71% of my surface is covered with water and oceans hold up to 96.5% of my water.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Welcome. Hi. How are you? Fine. Yeah. What is the project name? Seasons. What's the meaning of seasons? And you can tell me what's the meaning of seasons?
The daily change in the atmosphere like
Yearly, how many have seasons?
4.
4 seasons. Yes. Yeah. Tell me about anyone that seasons. Anything? Winter, summer, rainy.
The Indian monsoon. The climate of India depends greatly on monsoon. The monsoon usually happens due to the differential heating of land and water. You probably know that land heats faster than water. This change in heating leads to a difference in pressure conditions, which in turn leads to currents. Normally, there is high pressure in the tropical Eastern South Pacific Ocean and low pressure in the Eastern Indian Ocean.
Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Yeah, fine. Can I take one video? Then it's yeah, just only my team is all. You know this? Who is this? He is my son. You know?
Yes.
He is my son. We have it Ada Babula. He is my son. So I am his father. My name is Babula. Okay, thanks everyone to meet you. Okay, very good. All four who are in class? All your classmates? Okay, thanks. Thanks teacher. Very nice.